Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you what to do if Windows 11 starts slowly. First, let's open the Task Manager. Just type Task Manager and run it. Here, select Startup Apps and disable unnecessary ones that launch with Windows. For example, I don't want Opera Browser to start with Windows. To do this, I select the process and click Disable. Disable all unnecessary processes. Next, let's go to the Start menu. We need to adjust the battery settings. You can also access this through the battery icon. Here are the settings. Power mode, best performance. There. You can also type battery in the Start menu. We need this tab. Here's System Settings, the control panel for sound, power, and system settings. There should be a checkbox to enable or disable it. Click this button to edit it. This needs to be enabled. Next, type System Configuration in Start. These services run in the background. After that, click Apply. That's it for today. Goodbye, everyone.